Yeah. You don't need a steering wheel.
I plan on living.
We can put this on YouTube.
That's what we were thinking.
You gonna need some teeth?
Oh yeah, we may be redneck, but we ain't stupid.
Okay.
Hey, how'd they say
He's tied to the hitch of my truck.
How'd they say it in the movie? Here
Watch
comes the
out.
Golden Knight.
Watch out.
It must be that.
Bubba, how'd they say it in the movie? Here comes the Golden Knight. Yeah.
You know,
I wouldn't go no faster than that. She going faster than I thought she was gonna go. I figured first gear.
Do not roll.
Lean with it.
You know what? I'm safer laying down.
Hey, slow it down. I said go a little slower so we don't flip. That last turn, he was coming up a little bit.
Ow, my ass.
Oh.
And if the cops pull us over, what is our excuse?
No, sir, officer, we're not drunk. We was just faking it.
No, sir, Mr. Budweiser, we ain't had no officers. We're just stupid.
Hey, I wonder if I can make it from here to there.
I was thinking that myself. Am I safer here or there? Can I make it from here to there? Balls are vibrating.
Hey, that tire's wobbling. I'm fucking with you. Oh, you could have taken it a little faster than that.
Stop sign.
Oh, yeah, stop sign. Woohoo, hello. Nothing. Ignore me, I'm being stupid.
Shit.
Oh, slow down. Take it easy. Otherwise, we're going to lose him. Yeah, everybody's still in one piece. Damn. Talk about not
one piece after you piss your pants.
More like, I think I should have drove. Goddamn women drivers.
Oh, fuck, guess where that's coming up?
Easy. Oh, hello. Easy. He about to throw me off.
Hey, I hear an ice cream man.
Oh.
I think I'm safer down here.
This is how a redneck pulls a trailer.
Redneck ambulance. Don't worry, we'll get you there. Maybe not one pace, but we'll get you there. Hi, Melissa.
Oh.
Okay, I know which way to lean now. She's using signals.
Yeah, she's using signals. I can't see them.
glad Granny's not outside.
Oh, yeah, well.
She can come out with a 12 gauge.